Ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing you a content which is watchable, stupendous, and most epic of epic. Shake and bake. Shake and bake. Shake and bake.
In Bob's world.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world. And it might seem like I'm testing fate, cause I was just in beta flight where I changed my rate. The higher rates I had really liked to snap, but I tried them on the course and it flew like crap. So 533 is the way to go, and if you didn't know that, now you know. My C is armed and ready to unload. Find me out in the yard, I'm in acro mode.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world.
Shake and bake.
In Bob's world. Now, sit back and relax. You're in the middle of your trippy spin. And if you stick around long enough, you may be privy to a juicy flick into a Matty flip. Let's just say it's all part of your super loop. And you know who's bringing it to you. You know who's bringing it to you.
Shake and bake. Shake and bake. Shake and bake.